Stafi Crypto Staking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this review, I'll be breaking down my experience with Stafi, a crypto staking platform that's gaining attention for its unique features and user-friendly approach. Stafi is designed for crypto enthusiasts looking to earn rewards from staking their digital assets without having to manage the complexities of running their own validator nodes. The platform supports multiple blockchain networks, allowing users to stake a wide range of assets, including Ethereum, Polkadot, and Solana, among others. One of Stafi's standout features is its staking-as-a-service model, where the platform allows users to delegate their assets to validators, simplifying the staking process. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate even for beginners. You simply connect your wallet, choose the token you wish to stake, and Stafi automatically finds the best validator for you based on performance and fees. The platform also allows you to track your staking rewards in real time, which gives you transparency and control over your earnings. Another key benefit is the staking liquidity feature, where you can trade your staked tokens through their R-token system. This means your staked assets aren't completely locked up, offering you flexibility to manage your funds. Stafi also stands out in terms of security. The platform uses advanced cryptographic protocols to ensure that users' assets are safe while being staked. There's also the option to use their insurance fund, which provides an added layer of protection against validator slashing events, a big plus for those new to staking. The reward structure is competitive, but like any staking platform, it depends on the network and validator you choose. Some assets offer higher yields than others, and it's essential to research which validator has the best performance history. The fees are also reasonable, though slightly higher than some direct-to-validator solutions. In conclusion, Stafi is a solid platform for both beginners and experienced crypto users looking for a straightforward way to stake their assets while maintaining liquidity and security. The ease of use, transparency, and flexibility make it a great choice for those who want to earn passive income from their crypto holdings without the hassle of managing nodes. If you're looking for a reliable staking service, Stafi is definitely worth considering.